For many people, it is possible to sleep at night after 11, 12, or 10. Sleeping late and getting up late becomes a habit for everyone. Our children will also get used to seeing us. But if we think about it a little in terms of health, because of going to bed early and getting up early, you will get many good benefits. Can't we adjust to sleeping early? Can't we get up early? All great men are also early risers. Benefit number 1. By getting up early, we have nothing to worry about. It is good for our mind to think well and plan well in the morning in a calm environment without going to stress, anxiety, and depression. Benefit number 2. It will be possible for us to set aside half an hour or even a quarter of an hour for mental health. Mental problems are more common, and we are suffering these days. To that, have meditation, or take 15 minutes, half an hour to listen to your favorite good things, close your eyes and take time for yourself. Benefit number 3. If you rise early, you will get a good opportunity to practice exercises, asanas, pranayama for the physical body. Benefit number 4. The quality of sleep increases greatly. All the muscles are well relaxed due to good sleep. This will give you a good chance to be very energetic throughout the day. Benefit number 5. Dinner is eaten early. Eating dinner early is an undeniable health secret. Immunity will be boosted, weight will be reduced, snoring will be reduced, and many benefits will come. Benefit number 6. Social health improves along with mental health and physical health. By going to bed early, bad company will be cut off. Because all such people do all the work in late nights after dark. Due to your good habit of going to bed early, all such relationships will be cut, and you will have a good relationship. So, your value will increase, your respect in the society will increase, and your children will develop and learn better by watching you. If we change, all these changes will come. We have the possibility to get all these benefits. And make sure you are practical. Do it for 1 to 2 to 3 months. You decide. So, to the appeal that getting up early is so beneficial to make your life healthy and enjoyable.